Good morning, and good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it's going to be today. And so I just want to welcome you back to the Family Reset, our daily steps to strengthen unity. And today we're exploring how embracing our differences can strengthen our unity. And so we're on day 21 of the power of unity in diversity. So every family is a tapestry of unique personalities, talents, and perspectives. Embracing this diversity enriches our relationships and fosters a deeper connection. The Bible reminds us in 1 Corinthians 14, that just as the body has many parts, each with its own function, so does our family thrive. When we value each member's unique contribution, and that's what we need to do, right? So today I encourage you to celebrate the diversity within your family. Take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate each person's unique qualities. Perhaps during dinner, share something you admire about one another, another family member's perspective or talent. By doing so, we cultivate an environment where everyone feels valued, understood, and heard. Unity doesn't mean uniformity. It means embracing our differences to build a stronger, more resilient family. Let's reset our approach by honoring the unique gifts each member brings to our family circle. So join me tomorrow as we continue our journey towards strength and unity. But just remember that we all have differences, and God has made us that way so that we can complement each other. If we were all the same, then we'd all be doing the same thing. All right, you guys have a great day. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.